A new day, a new project. This is a very simple video today, a very short one, and I have to talk a little bit about my old new Fireface 800 audio interface. In fact, I'm running this microphone through this sound card now, and I'm recording in Vegas usually. So somehow I put a bet on this, it's an, let's call it old model. Doesn't cost me a fortune, and because my PC already have a Firewire card inside, I said why not, let's try it. And by the way, I couldn't make any better choice than this one. This card, it's 18/8 out analog, clearly without any other tricks. It have an internal timer, of course, an internal clock. It can go up to 56 channel, and it's made by a well-known German company, and this is called RME, and this is a Fireface 800. So it can goes up to 56 channels, record and playback, up to 192 kilohertz ampere rate, and I can't say anything about the quality. The sound is perfect, the preamps are absolutely amazing, nice, a lot of dynamic, no noise, of course, and it's a really amazing piece of technology. I didn't expect that, and I said it's an old model, and as I can say, the Firewire technology, it's still up to date. It's moving so nice, it's moving so fast. There is no glitch, no glitch with drivers, and as soon as I put it on, everything goes smooth in the system. I got no problems at all. I can't say about my other sound cards I used before, USB 1, USB 2, all kind of cards, TC Helicon and M Audio and so many others. This one, it's so reliable and so, how can I say, straight, connected, just do the job. And by the way, here on the top of this one, they have a quick start guide. You know what they're saying? Just fire it up. It's a really nice touch. Okay, I don't want to talk too much about this because there are plenty of reviews all around the internet about this sound card. I'm really happy that I can use my PC with the Firewire card inside there. When you have a piece of gear, doing a specific job, doesn't really matter the aspect, the face of the things, the way it's looking, the way it's colors. I don't care about these things. For me, most important thing is to have the job done and to see it if it's doing properly. Now I'm using one of these preamps. We have 4 microphone preamps with 48 volts phantom power, of course, and this can be also used like a line. And I have behind it's another 8-inch line ins with a balanced TRS and so many other things. The point is that somehow you can't use it on the field because you have to have a PC with you. Maybe I'll try later having a kind of USB to Firewire conversion kit or something. I'll do experiment about that. But for now, I hope this one will bring another audio level, you know, for my recordings. What I have to say, this model doesn't have digital signal processing, DSP, inside, so I have to solely rely to the editors and audio recording stuffs, but I really don't care about that because usually I'm using everything you know, inside the DAW recording system, inside the software. What else to say? The headphones have a really clear and loud signal. The preamps, you can't even feel it there, and it's supposed to have by their, you know, by the company advertising here, we have a dynamic range of 109 decibel, and the input dynamic range is 109. Anyway, everything is higher than 100, you know, so this is really, really great. Like I said, 192 kilohertz maximum sampling rate. Also, it can go up to 200 kilohertz if you have a sample rate externally. And frequency response is, you know, I don't want to get into these details because there are so many, so I can't even talk about. Anyway, all I can say that it's running smooth with Windows 10, so there is no problem as long as you are using the ASIO drivers related to the software. You know, I've been using also ASIO for all, just for testing the connection, and it's working great. Also, it's working with direct sound, VDM drivers, and it's absolutely great. I don't know, for now I think it's enough. I'm really excited about having this piece on my table. So I'll be back with some other details as soon as I find some new possibilities and so on. For now I'm really, really happy. So if you ever have the possibility to buy one of these, don't hesitate. Just take it, put it to work, because it's a really, really professional piece of equipment. Thank you for now. Don't forget to have fun, be safe, and please comment. Bye bye.